Hello guys, hello, good morning, good morning. Welcome po muli sa aking channel. Ito po ang inyong host, Master Simpleman. And welcome dito sa ating day 10 ng ating Ramadan fasting journey. Welcome guys, thank you for joining me. This has been your host, Master Simpleman. And this is the day 10 already. Today is March 10, 2025. So guys, ayan, kagaya ng dati, papasok ulit tayo sa work. Now is 5 a.m. in the morning. So papunta akong Burjuman Metro Station. Ayan, para dun sumakay. Papuntang Business Bay. So guys, welcome po. Today is Monday. Yan, ang hirap pumasok pag Monday. Start of the week again. Start of a new day. Start of a new week. And start of another work. So guys, welcome once again sa aking vlog dito para sa aking Ramadan fasting journey. I hope you could follow me on all my social media accounts. And please do check out all the videos about this Ramadan fasting journey of mine. I hope you could like and share also to my channel, to my videos. Welcome sa lahat ng ating mga subscribers. Thank you everyone for supporting me. At ngayon po ulit ang umpisa ng ating week. So magtatrabaho tayo from 7 a.m. to 1 p.m. again. At fasting po ako, for all you know, from 5 a.m. to 7 p.m. Yan, kagigising lang natin, papasok tayo sa work. So, see you guys mamaya ulit sa Business Bay. See you guys, thank you very much, bye-bye. Hello guys, welcome once again. This has been your host, Master Simpleman. Welcome to the Day 10 of my Ramadan fasting journey. So welcome once again guys. Narito na tayo sa Business Bay. And we will stay here for the meantime to wait for our company service. And for that, while we are waiting, we will write in my diary. So my diary is called A Diary of My Life by Simpleman. So yan po yung aking diary wherein I write everything about my life, secrets, in and out, my thoughts, and my life. So guys, welcome po muli. Welcome dito tayo sa Business Bay Metro Station sa antayan ng bus. So as usual, papakita natin kung sino-sino at ang itsura ng ating antayan. So yan, ito, may mga nag-aantay na rin dito. So yan. So ito, sa kanan ko naman ang basurahan. So yan guys, welcome po muli dito sa ating Day 10 ng ating Ramadan fasting. Samahan niyo po ako sa buong month ng aking journey para sa Ramadan 2025. Ida-document po natin yan daily hanggang matapos. Walang aayaw, walang susuko. So by the way, for all you know, I am fasting from 5 a.m. till 7 p.m. daily for the whole month of Ramadan. So guys, hindi na tayo magbibideo doon sa labas dahil medyo madilim din naman at medyo humahaba yung ating video, which is I would like it to be 8 minutes more or less lang yung aking video. So guys, welcome and see you again ulit sa aking office. Mamaya kasi magpapakain tayo ng ating cat for our cat feeding program. So guys, thank you for joining me. This has been your host, Master Simpleman, and this is the day 10 of my Ramadan fasting journey. See you again guys. Bye bye. So hello guys, welcome once again. Ayan, nandito na tayo ngayon sa ating opisina at kararating lang natin. The time now is 7:10 a.m. So, welcome guys sa aking day 10 ng Ramadan fasting journey. So, ngayon medyo tinatamad tayo. It's Monday, nakakaantok pa dahil medyo napuyod tayo. So, magwo-work muna po ako from 7 a.m. to 1 p.m. guys. See you again later mamaya pag uwi na. Or mamaya pala pag nagkaroon tayo ng cat feeding program. So see you guys. Bye-bye. So hello guys. Hello, welcome once again. Nandito tayo ngayon sa aking opisina sa labas. Ayan, ngayon ay ang ating morning feeding program. Ayan, nag-aantay na sila. Ayan yung ating mga pusa, nag-aabang na. So, nag-iiyakan na sila. So, guys, ayan, papakainin lang muna natin sila saglit. Pause muna tayo dito. Ayan, dito muna tayo. So, ayan guys, nag-aabang na yung ating mga alagang pusa. Medyo gutom na sila. Yala, yala. Okay. Oh, gana. Gina. Ayan, so hello guys, welcome, narito tayong muli, nagpapakain ng ating mga alagang pusa dito sa office. So guys, yan yung ating daily routine, ang magpakain sa ating mga alagang pusa dito sa opisina. So this one is, we're doing this one dahil wala namang magpapakain sa kanila. So tara, tingnan natin kung kumakain ba sila ng maayos. So ayan guys, yung ating cat feeding program. Daily natin tong ginagawa ngayong ating Ramadan fasting journey. Kasabay ng ating journey sa panahon ng Ramadan. So kahit tayo ay fasting, binibigyan natin sila ng pagkain dahil for sure wala namang magpapakain sa kanila kundi ako lamang. Ako lang ata yung mga nag-iisang cat lover dito dahil may pusa din pa ako. I do have 3 cats in Kuwait actually. My 3 cats are in Kuwait and 1 cat in the Philippines. So I do love cats, dogs also. I love dogs also. So that's why I am helping this stray cat to at least give them some food and water. After this food, I'll give them some water so that they will not be thirsty enough after eating. So guys, this is my daily routine ngayong panahon ng Ramadan. I hope I could do this the whole year round. So guys, I'm encouraging you, please do care for the animals just like what I am doing. I hope I can encourage everyone to help feed animals, stray animals, street animals like these 2 cats. So see you guys on my next vlog. See you guys. Bye bye. Hello guys! Ayan, welcome once again. Katatapos lang ng ating work. Ngayon ay 1 PM na. Kalabas na tayo ng work. Nakapag-punch out na rin. So guys, pauwi na naman tayo. Tapos na naman ang isang araw. Pero ang ating service ay wala pa. Ayan o, dyan siya nagpaparada. Wala pa. So waiting tayo. Ilibot ko muna kayo sa kabuuan ng aking project site. So ito yung ating kabuuan ng project site office. So ayan guys, dito ako nagwo-work. At yung project namin ayun, nandun sa labas. So okay guys, see you once again mamaya sa pag-uwi natin sa bahay. So thank you guys, it's been your host Master Simpleman. This is day 10 of my Ramadan fasting journey. So guys, welcome. Thank you everyone for joining me. Hello guys, welcome everyone. Welcome to the day 10 of my Ramadan fasting journey guys. Ngayon po ay pauwi na ako. Ayan. Katatapos lang kanina ng ating working hours. 7 AM to 1 PM. So for all you know guys, I am fasting from 5 AM to 7 PM daily. At ngayon po ay nasa day 10 na tayo. We are on the day 10 of our fasting journey. So guys, welcome to my channel. This has been your host, Master Simpleman. Welcome everyone. I hope you will soon you will subscribe to my channel, especially my YouTube, TikTok, Twitch, Bigo Live account, Instagram, and Facebook. So guys, ngayon po pag-uwi natin, matutulog na naman agad tayo. So same situation. Wala naman masyadong kakaibang nangyayari. Pag-uwi, tulog lang hanggang 7 PM. Magigising po ako ng 7 PM. Tapos iinom ng tubig. Then lalabas para mag-dinner. So guys, see you again. This has been your host Master Simpleman, and this is the day 10 of my Ramadan fasting journey. See you guys. Thank you everyone. Bye bye. Hello guys, welcome once again. Thank you for joining me. This has been your host Master Simpleman. Welcome to the day 10 of my Ramadan fasting journey. So guys, dino-document natin yung bawat sandali na tayo ay nagpa-fasting. So ngayon ay kagigising lang natin, katatapos lang natin maglinis, maghilamos, magsipilyo, etc. Ngayon ang time is 8:05 in the evening. So guys, ngayon hindi na tayo lalabas. Dito na tayo kakain dahil bumili na tayo kahapon ng ating dinner para ngayon. So guys, ang gagawin natin ngayon ay mag-unboxing ng mga products mula sa ating supplier. So guys, thank you for joining me. This has been your host, Master Simpleman. This is the day 10 of my Ramadan fasting journey. So see you guys sa unboxing. Panoorin niyo po yung aking mga videos regarding sa aking unboxing. Thank you guys. Nice meeting you all. And thank you for those who follow me on all my social media accounts. See you guys later. Bye bye.